Okay, so first activity is to notice and wonder the isometric grid. You had to pick a few things that you noticed and a few things you wondered. I just want to share with you a few things that I took from it. First thing I noticed, it has like 3 sets of parallel lines. For instance, if you go this way, there's going to be a set here. And let me see, you could go with a set of parallel lines going this way. Here, now here. Then you also have one going, a set going this way. Alright. Like that. And I also noticed that it makes up all these little triangles. They kind of make up equilateral triangles. There's a whole bunch of equilateral triangles. So for instance, if I trace one out, let me trace a big one out so you can see what I'm talking about there. All the little ones are equilateral also. And something special about equilateral triangle is because the angles have in a triangle all add up to be 180 since they're all equal. If you take 180 and divide them by 3, they all are 60 degrees. Every one of these angles inside a triangle is 60 degrees. Okay, what else did I notice? Let me think for a second here. And I also noticed on my grid there are no 90-degree angles anywhere. All these angles here, if you look, they're all 60-degree angles. Okay, and then also, and if you looked at it here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that makes an octagon be in the center right there. And an octagon also makes 6 equilateral triangles. Okay, some things that I noticed, of course, were there's no squares on this grid. There's no squares. No squares at all. Okay. So because there's no squares, there's no 90-degree angles. Okay. Let's look a little closer. What else did I notice? I'm always, and another thing I'm wondering is why aren't there any 90-degree angles? Okay. Why aren't there any squares? Well, and I'm also wondering, well, how would using triangles be more beneficial than using squares? And also notice there are no actual horizontal lines. Horizontal, runs like this. And vertical, there are vertical lines, but there are no horizontal lines. Okay? And those are just a few things that I noticed and wondered about this.